there are so many things that come with being a grown woman, most especially an elevated grown woman. So if you're out there feeling grown, you should be having some or all of the things I'll be sharing with you. Today I'll be sharing with you 7 essential must-haves every grown woman needs. Remember, this channel is all about improving, evolving to become the better version of ourselves. No matter the little steps, we get there and be great. So if you haven't subscribed yet and that is something you want, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you join the family, we improve and be great. Now, tip number 1, or the first essential must-have. It can be very embarrassing to see a grown woman all over the place looking for who to lend her money to solve her issues with, unless it is something out of your control. But if you're all over the place all the time looking for who to lend money, who to borrow money from to solve your issues with, that is a sign you are not grown. Because as a grown woman, we all need to have savings. We all need to have money saved for the unseen circumstances. We all need savings as grown women. Trust me, I instantly lose respect for people who always, there is a lady I know, she is always looking for who to borrow money from. She's always having issues and looking for people to ask money from. That is so embarrassing and not grown at all. You lose your respect and dignity, which takes me to tip number 2, or the second essential must-have. It can as well be very embarrassing to see a grown woman all over the place being loud, gossiping, not having respect for herself. That can be so not grown. So as a grown woman, an elevated grown woman, no matter how people provoke you, you need to put yourself together and always carry yourself with respect. You command respect and not demand respect. So the way you carry yourself, people will respect you. But if you're all over the place gossiping, fighting with everyone, not staying in your lane, that is so not grown. So every grown woman, to me, needs to have that composure, that self-respect. Tip number 3, or the third essential must-have every grown elevated woman needs, is good skincare and self-care. It can as well be very embarrassing to see a grown woman walking around looking untidy and not groomed. Like, your nails are not presentable, your hair is just so untidy, your skin is rough with a lot of pimples, your eyes are dry, skin looking so dry, not healthy, with those fake fine line and wrinkles because you neglect your skin. And there is no excuse to that if you're a grown woman. As grown women, we need to be more intentional how we look. We take care of ourselves, look presentable, and your physical appearance defines who you are. People respect what they see. So if you go around looking untidy with poor hygiene, it's so not grown. Like, you wake up in the morning, you don't take your shower, you're all over the house looking so untidy and receiving visitors without having a bath, not looking presentable and neat. To me, that is not grown, and we all need to be intentional about our self-care, how we look, hygiene, skincare. Most especially as you've grown from 25 and above, that is when you want to take care of your skin, because your skin no longer makes collagen like we were much younger. You need to start eating healthy foods that will boost collagen production, start exfoliating your skin so dead skin cells get out of your skin and your skin looks more smooth and youthful. Using anti-aging products like eye creams to fight aging and look youthful, vibrant as you age. Like, taking care of your skin, self-care, your skincare and looking good is something every grown woman should like. That is a habit every grown woman should have. The 4th tip or essential must-have. If you are a grown woman and you don't know your blood sugar levels, you don't know your blood pressure level, You don't know your cholesterol levels. You don't know how your reproductive system looks like. If you have cysts, fibroids, all those issues, you don't know anything about yourself, then you are not grown. So every grown woman should at least have a primary doctor, so you understand yourself as a grown woman and be proactive, so you don't end up a sick person in the future. You understand your body, take care of yourself, and always be healthy and vibrant. Staying ignorant is so not grown. Only kids or babies should be ignorant. Once you're grown 25 and above, you need to know yourself so you can take care of yourself and not wake up one day and start feeling like your one part of your body is not working because you have a health complication, you know. So you need to know yourself so you can take care of yourself, so you know the right foods to eat. You don't just eat carelessly and end up sick. And I'll say it with an example. This is my blood pressure kit. I check my pressure all the time because I'm grown. Once you are grown, anything can happen. It doesn't matter if you're skinny, if you're big. Once you are grown, you are grown. As you age, anything can happen. So you need to always check on yourself, have your blood pressure monitor, even the sugar. This is very important, so you limit your doctor visits and not. So having these health kits is something every grown woman needs. You need to have them to check on yourself. You need to be proactive as you grow, so you prevent the unforeseen. Trust me. And trust me, once you have these health kits at home, you tend to be so intentional about your health. You take good care of yourself and always look vibrant and healthy. Now, the fifth essential must-have every grown woman should have is resilient. Not giving up when things are not going the way you want. As grown women, we need to be strong no matter the trials, focused to achieving our goals. It is never easy for anyone, so being resilient is a must-have if you're a grown woman. You don't give up no matter the obstacles. You are focused to achieving your goals. That is so important. And being a strong woman means you are able to take care of yourself, solve your issues, be great, and that comes with hard work. So if you give up on your goals, you are not resilient, you are not pushful, you are not grown. So being grown means you never give up on your dreams. You are just so focused, and no matter the obstacles, you still achieve your dreams by working hard and staying focused. So I hope you get. Now, on a lighter note, every woman needs a presentable, everyday handbag. Like, I tend to see so many women preserve their beautiful handbags for special occasions and carry just that, that crazy handbag around as their everyday handbag. To me, that is a no. Your everyday handbag needs to at least look presentable. So this is my everyday handbag. This is a Coach handbag. I carry it when I'm going to the supermarket to buy food, stuffs for the house, and this is my elevated everyday handbag when I'm going to a big shopping mall, like to Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, those big stores. This is my everyday elevated handbag. And this handbag is for my everyday use. Like if I'm going to the hospital, I'm going for grocery shopping, at least the bag looks presentable and not just that tacky everyday handbag I see most people like. To me, as an elevated grown woman, your everyday handbag needs to look presentable, and you know what I'm talking about. Most people don't care about the everyday handbag. You just like, to me, it is not grown and elevated. So every elevated grown woman equally needs sunshades to protect your eyes from UV rays damage, preventing aging, as well as instantly elevating your look. Trust me, this is something I can't do without. My sunglasses. Having your sunglasses on instantly elevates your look. Like, this is a must-have. Must-have. Every woman needs sunglasses. Every elevated grown woman equally needs that beautiful signature fragrance. And mine is this Chanel Chance Eau Tendre. This is my everyday fragrance. Like, I have other fragrances, but this is my signature fragrance. Like, this is my go-to. Very fresh, welcoming, classic. You always smell so inviting and beautiful. As a grown woman, you want to have that beautiful signature scent. Whichever works for you, having that beautiful signature smell is something every grown woman needs. People tend to respect you if you always smell good and welcoming. That is a must-have. Whichever fragrance works for you is fine. Just have a good signature perfume. And trust me, I love fragrances because they make me feel good. They elevate my confidence, and I love fragrances. That is something I can't do without, and I think every grown woman needs at least one signature fragrance that is beautiful, inviting, and the recommendation is Chanel Chance Eau Tendre. That is easy. Everyone will love the fragrance. It smells so fresh, inviting, and yeah, as grown women, we equally need to have classic outfits that suit our various body shapes and sizes. Understand your shape, dress according to your shape, and not embarrass yourself around with things that don't suit your body shape or size. So as a grown woman, you need to study your body, know what exactly suits you, and wear just what suits your body shape and type. You always look so presentable and not embarrass yourself with. You always look so presentable and good. Trust me, understanding your shape and body is something every grown woman needs to know. Your body shape, and just dress your body. Like, you don't have you have a pear shape, you have a big tummy, you're all about that fitted dress. That will make you look funny because your tummy will just look so big in that fitted dress. You need to understand your body. Either you get a shaper that will take your tummy down and you look more presentable in that fitted dress, or just go for dresses that are free so you don't embarrass your big tummy in outfits. Not an So you don't embarrass your big tummy in fitted outfits. So it is just a matter of understanding yourself. To me, that is so embarrassing and not grown. So understand your body and wear just things that suit your body, and trust me, you look more grown and responsible. So that is what I wanted to share with you today. Feel free to leave your own tips at the comments. Remember, we are all here to learn and be great. No matter the little steps, we get there and be great. So feel free to share the video with your family and friends, and I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like so YouTube can know my content is helpful, and that encourages me to keep making content. And yeah, so thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.